How to use ClickUp Docs. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you what is the purpose of using ClickUp Docs. So we are going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account. As you can see, we're going to be on the home page. Now moving on to the docs, which is going to be the fourth element from the workspace, which is going to be situated here. Now, why do we use docs? And firstly, why are we going to have docs here? Basically, it is going to be added to your workspace because you need some documents. The word doc is an abbreviation of documents, and obviously a documentation for anything that you're going to have, for example, for invoices, for PDF files that will have maybe a structure of an invoice or maybe a contract is going to be necessarily in any CRM platform or project management platform. So the specificities of the docs here is going to be having all the documents onto only one place, and then you can go ahead and link them wherever you want. For example, for the docs here, if you have a PDF file, you can go ahead and have it right away. But in case you do not have a PDF file, you can create a doc from here. And this doc is going to be having a title, and also it is going to have some content. Like, I don't know, here you're going to have this blank page, and from this blank page, you can go ahead and have maybe, for example, this title is going to be a business plan. Maybe this is going to be a business plan on this doc. We're going to start adding, for example, things or blocks like tables. I don't know, here's some sub pages, some columns. I'm going to add maybe 2 columns. For example, the first one is going to be the price or the budget, for example, and maybe the second part of the board or the table is going to be the work. I don't know, or the tasks, for example, tasks. And then you can go ahead and set up the things right away. Now, so as you can see, we have divided the thing in two, or the doc in two. We can go ahead and import, for example, HTMLs. You can go ahead and have document files. For example, here you're going to drag and drop any file that you want, and then you're going to have it into that doc. Now, how we can have the link of the doc into our spaces? It is going to be very simple to have it. If you're going to have a space, for example, like this idea space, this is the dashboard of it. I'm going to select one of the tasks that I have, for example. I can go ahead and add a column. And this column is going to have some fields. I'm going to type in the field of doc. You can go ahead and click on linked docs, and then we're going to add it right away. So it is going to add the doc from here, and you can go ahead and add whatever doc here. So as you can see, we have created the business plan. I'm going to add it right away. And here you have it. It is going to be linked right away into the spaces. And so you can go ahead and set it up on also on the specific, as you can see, task itself. So you can go ahead and have the docs added into any place that you want. So it is going to have the doc links right there. So nothing is going to be shared randomly into this workspace or this space itself, and everything is going to be well organized. So I think that you've got the idea on where and how we can use the docs. Now, is it necessary here to have the docs onto the project or any place into the account of ClickUp? Some of you will need the docs or a lot of docs included into their business, for example, because it is going to be the way of organizing things. And afterwards, if you have created a doc, you can go ahead and export the doc as a PDF. This is something that is very useful. So everything is going to be traceable and everything is going to be trackable as long as you're going to make everything in order. That was pretty much it for today's video. Do not forget to use the docs into here because it is going to be very useful for your facilitation of work. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.